Hello, everyone, and all my ladies. It is time for us to cleanse and flush out any bacteria causing that foul smell, that ugly smell. Cleanse our organs as well so we can equally stay healthy by fighting diseases because this is a very powerful disease fighting alkaline juice. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you straight away and show you how to come up with this cleanse yourself at home. Very important to have this at least once every month so your system stays so clean, free of any bacterial infections causing that foul smell, cleanses your organs, cleanses your whole system so you can equally stay healthy, free of diseases and sicknesses. So let's quickly get straight into it. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, and share the video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, smelling fresh. So let's get into it. Voila. So in order to come up with this disease fighting or bacteria cleansing juice, the first ingredient we'll be using will be pineapple, both the peel and the pineapple fruit itself. So you want to watch and see how I'll come up with the juice from the peel as well as from the pineapple itself, plus some other two ingredients I'll be introducing. So what you want to do is to get your pineapple washed thoroughly. I'll show you in another video how to thoroughly clean your fruits. And what you want to do is to slice the peel of the pineapple into some sizes that can get into your pot. Pineapples are very good as they contain this enzyme called bromelain, which helps to kill bacteria and fight infections. Before jumping into the benefits, this is what you want to do. You want to wash the pineapple peel and put in your pot. So we want to boil and get a juice out of this. This is so cleansing. Like the pineapple peel contains a lot of cleansing properties you want to get out of this, and you cannot eat it with the peel. So in order to get the benefits out of the pineapple peel, you need to boil. So this is it on the fire. 4 cups of water I used in like boiling the pineapple peel to get the benefits. And while it is cooking, I will use half a pineapple for this juice, this cleansing juice. So I've divided the pineapple in two, and I'll be storing half of it in the refrigerator for my smoothie or whatever drink you want to make with pineapple. But what we need for today is half a pineapple. So that is the half pineapple I want to store in my refrigerator. I can use it later for my smoothies and whatever juice I want to make. So you need just half a pineapple. So this is half a pineapple slice. Pineapple has a lot of cleansing benefits, like it flushes out bad acids from your system as well, boost your metabolism so you can easily break down and metabolize food so nothing stores up, causing belly fat, weight gain, flushes out the bad acids, making you always be bloated, like you have that fake big belly all the time because of acids in your system. And the good acids in pineapple flushes out the bad acids from your system. The second ingredient I'll be using will be celery. Like celery cleanses your organs. It cleanses everything. This is so good. It contains large amounts of chlorophyll, which cleanses your system. If you want to glow, like this is what cleanses you, both your organs, your skin cells, like everything. Celery is one of, like I can't reiterate enough, celery is something you want to always juice. So I'll be using 3 stems of celery for this cleansing juice of today to help cleanse and flush out all the waste, food build up, toxins, whatever, like cleanse the skin cells, organs, bacteria, flush everything out of the system. This is so healing. This is so nourishing to the system. So I am slicing up 3 stems of celery. So if you have the celery with the leaves, that is just fine. But celery is a very good cleanser, very powerful at healing and treating the skin. So this is it. You want to wash your celery, slice into some good sizes. You can easily blend because we are trying to achieve a juice out of all these ingredients. Yeah, so this is it. This is the second ingredient plus the peel. We still have the peel on the fire, you remember. Now the next thing I'll be adding in here will be ginger. Ginger is very good for cleansing as well. This breaks down food store up in the system, because when there is a lot of food store up in your system that you don't pass out, it stays there and it turns into toxins now. So toxins are not actually some dead you eat, but food build up in your system that your system is unable to break down, that turns into toxins. So this is to prevent that food build up, flush out everything so nothing stores up, causing that fake belly fat or stays there and build bacteria in your system, producing that bad smell from the inside. So this is to cleanse you and very good. So yeah, you want to get your ginger and slice into some good sizes, tiny little sizes that you can easily blend to as well. So this is like 2 inches of ginger that you're slicing. It can give you 2 tablespoons of ginger. So this is 2 tablespoons of ginger you just want to set aside. And I'll just be adding half a cucumber in here. Cucumbers are alkalizing to cleanse and fight diseases from the system. This is equally a fruit you want to go for, as studies, scientists have proven that it helps to fight certain forms of cancer in the system, forms a disease fighting barrier in your system you want to fall in love with. Like, I love me some cucumbers. I eat them a lot because this is the ticket to staying healthy. Very nutrient dense. So this is half a cucumber. You want to slice into some good sizes you can easily like juice as well, and voila, that is it. Very clean, and that is the these are the ingredients. And I want to now get the juice out of this pineapple peel. Pineapple peel is very good for cleansing. Like back home, if you have malaria, we just need to get pineapple peel with some other fruits put together and herbs, and you are good to go. It cleanses you, and like it cleanses you to be healthy. So this is it. This is my 4 cups of the pineapple peel juice that I achieved, and I want it to cool down. When it cools down, you can now put in your ingredients in your blender, and that is what you use as water. So you are not adding ordinary water here. This is the water you're using, the water from the pineapple peel. If you want to really achieve best results from these, use the water from the pineapple peel. You blend these ingredients so well. All these alkaline fruits put together, it cleanses you, like it heals and treats you. Like these are the kinds of juice you want to fall in love with generally. If you want to always stay healthy, free from any bacterial infections, be it different kinds of sicknesses and diseases, you want to fall in love with this juice. Trust me, you will thank Reza. You will hardly go to the hospital and waste your money. Like, you will smell fresh because there will be no bacteria or food buildup in your system causing that ugly smell, because there is a lot of dirt in your system bulging out in the form of bad smell from down there, be it your sweat under your armpit. Like, this cleanses you so you can generally be fresh from head to toe without any bad odor from your body. Yeah, and you always stay healthy as well. So you want to strain after you blend. I'm sure you were just watching while listening. You want to strain and get your juice out of these ingredients, and you're good to go. So this is the fiber I got out of it, and I don't throw my fiber. I'm just putting this in the blender with one banana, and that is breakfast for you for sure. Very healthy. Don't ever throw your fiber. I mean the pulp you get out of after squeezing your fruit. So this is the juice, so nourishing, so healing, so nutrient dense. Like, this is health in the glass. You want to consume this on an empty stomach so it gets into your clean system and cleanses you. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach, last thing at bedtime, or just fall in love with this juice. Treat yourself now while you are strong. If you have money, invest in fruits, in these vegetables, and treat your skin, because trust me, when you don't do this and you go for those bad kinds of eating habits, the fast foods and all those kinds of foods made with chemicals and the rest, trust me, you will always be sick. But if you fall in love with juices like this and stay away from all those sugary kinds of juices, you will age without even noticing you have any illnesses and diseases and the rest. You will stay so strong. And I don't know how to reiterate enough, but this will boost your immunity. You will always be so strong and fortified. Yeah, so this is a recipe I wanted to share with you today. I am on a journey of staying healthy and strong, and that is why you see me, I share the recipes with you so we can all stay healthy together and be vibrant. So I hope someone finds this video helpful, and I know for sure it is so helpful. Thumbs up if you find it helpful, and share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.